Hello, I'd like to introduce myself and share my story with you. My name's Cheryl and I was born in Brisbane into a working class family. My husband and I were just 18 when we met at a city dance venue, the way many young people met then. When we married, we had $300 between us. We worked together to raise our family and start our successful business that I managed from the outset with no prior experience. At the same time, I ran the household with 3 small children and cared for parents and extended family. I hope some of the things I do and stories of my life will inspire you to live the best life you can. We worked hard to establish ourselves. A year or so after our marriage with our firstborn son, we moved from our birthplace in Brisbane to Perth, Western Australia, for a new work opportunity. It was there that I learned to overcome my shyness and develop personal confidence. We returned to Brisbane to take another opportunity until we started our own consulting business. We gambled a block of land for our dream home on that business. At the same time, we planted a commercial tomato crop to add to our cash flow while the new business got off the ground. As it happened, the business took off. I took over the farming for 2 seasons, preparing, harvesting, packing and getting to market. From the outset, with no special qualifications or business experience, I took on the accounting and management. Although we worked hard, the business gave me the personal freedom to choose my work hours so that I could continue to run the family, look after parents and relatives in the way that I wanted. I felt I had the best of both worlds. After living in Perth, we decided we would never live more than 15 minutes from work. Our criteria for a home was close to work, in a bushland environment, with a view. We managed to achieve that, living in beautiful architect-designed homes on the top of hills, in a bushland setting, overlooking the city. It gave us a love of great architecture that we enjoy today. Since then, we've travelled the world, visited great cities, and enjoyed wonderful experiences on every continent. In the late 90s, we rediscovered dance in the form of Argentine tango. This led us to explore the world of tango in Australia and in Argentina. We've danced around the world teaching and organising tango dance. After Argentina's financial crisis in 2001, we felt the need to repay some of the pleasure we get from the Argentine culture. We founded a charity to support underprivileged children in Argentina. Since then, we've rebuilt and contributed to the rebuilding of foster homes and been part of projects to build schools, universities, accommodation in both the city and in the remote mountains of the country. These projects have been very satisfying. Now, with a little more time available, I've started another small business with Melaleuca home and personal care products we've used for the last 5 years. As with most of you, we've had our share of joys and sorrows, successes and failures, but I feel blessed with a full life well lived. So what makes me feel satisfied and successful? What's the thread that runs through my life? It's a combination of hard work, measured risk-taking, enjoying work, the joys and life experiences, accepting sorrows and defeats with grace. Never give up. It's living life every day. I enjoy my family, friends, business, dance, and my life is full. Please subscribe to my blog and my letter below to engage with me about life, love and business so that you too can look back on a successful life lived to the full.